we're stuck outside and the portal is gone. Now we're stuck in the nether. Oh my. Um. Hello. Hello everyone. Welcome to the nether. And, I don't know, but I don't know what to say, but villager number 9 had the idea of going to the nether, collecting some ancient debris of some kind, and look at that. Look, the portal just, it's gone. It's extinguished. It's gone. I don't know what to do now. And we have a lodestone here, which I have no idea how you even got this item in your inventory. Like, I can't even have access to it, but yeah, just punch a tree. I mean, we already have punched a tree, and whoa. Now, this one looks a bit promising, it seems. I don't know about you, but I think this one looks a bit more promising. Do you think we should go there? Also, I'm kind of thinking that the biome just looks a bit too dead. Like, I don't think anyone even lives here anymore. But we're stuck. Like, we need something to actually activate the portal. Have you got the... Why, hello there, Mr. H. Oh my god, the block is up there. I seriously need to create a space. Like, seriously, need to create a space. There's no space. We're literally stuck. Why, hello there, Mr. Agent. What are you doing out here? Did you break the thing? I presume using the code, he probably must have broke it, right? Oh. Yeah. He probably broke the portal. Oh well. Well, we have nothing else to do. We're stuck. We're legitimately stuck. Our respawn point is back in there. I don't know if you even set a spawn point at all, but spawn point's there. And we're all stuck now. There's nothing we can do. Except starve? Or die of thirst? Because water can't even exist here anymore. Like, there's no use. There's just no use anymore. God. No wonder why it actually takes so long for us to be here. To, like, load up the nether terrain. Like, look now, we're now stuck. Hey. Can you try to make a bridge over there? Or maybe you have to code it. Maybe he can! He can build the bridge. There is a solution at least. Hey, we should actually go over there. You know? What do you say, Miss Asian? Wanna build a bridge? I don't know if that's a yes or no, but okay. Cool. I'm gonna get myself, some... because I need him to go in such an order. I need him to be here. Alright. Go ahead. Build a bridge. Well, what are you waiting for? Come on, just build a bridge. It's... What the heck? Wait. How did you get the goat horn? Oh my god. Oh. Did you make that, or... Oh my god. That was such a weird noise. Dude, can you make the... Why do you even have a gold horn? So weird. Ah! Okay, you know what? I have no other questions to ask, but whatever. Just keep it in your inventory. I don't care. Okay. I'm thinking I should actually code this guy to build a bridge. Right, so I'm gonna get this thing out and get this guy to code to build the bridge. So and move forward as well. So have to place down. Wait. Oh wait, no. Oh no. Wait. You don't need a block. You don't need a block. You don't need a Dude, get back here. Get back here this instant. You don't need this. You need a block. Now build a bridge. Oh god. Okay. Um I think I need to put the loop on. Let's do this for approximately. Oh, that's a bit too much. 12. Try 12. Oh, there he goes. He's built. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He needs blocks. He needs more blocks. Dude, wait up, bud. Sorry. I thought you just placed it infinitely, but no, you need blocks. Oh my god. So, oh my god, okay. Dude, I just had x-ray vision. Oh, what the heck. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, I almost died. Alright, we have to be careful next time. Alright. Here are the blocks. Now build the bridge. Actually, no. I'm just. Oh my god. I'm just gonna put you right here, and I'm gonna go back. Oh god, I'm so. Don't look at me. I burned in the lava. Did you not see that? Okay. Go ahead. Build a bridge. Build a. Oh. Oh wait, I didn't even give check command. Oh man, I needed to do this. Do that. Mine. Alright, I don't care if I said mine, but just mine. Mine. Go build a bridge. Build a bridge. We keep on falling. And wait, do you have enough blocks? Dude, you have enough blocks. Just use it enough. Mine.